Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you are here today. This review is being brought to you today by pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails, and you will get a code to save 30%. You can also email support at pinkypromise.com if you ever have any wig-related questions. So today we're going to be looking at another one of Envy's brand new colors. This is the Nadia wig, which is really pretty. I have never tried Nadia, and the color on this one is Platinum Shadow. So more on her in just a minute. Let's start talking about Nadia in Platinum Shadow. So very, very pretty. This is one of the lighter of their new colors, of course, since this is a rooted platinum blonde. So very, very pretty. So I'll go over Nadia really quickly. There are other reviews out there on her, of course, and then we will focus strictly on this color. So I'll do a turn so you can see her all the way around, and then we'll talk about her specs and everything. So here she is from the front. Very nice medium length wig with some really pretty layers. Pretty movement to the fibers. The fibers are very light and wispy. Okay, there's my left. Show you the back. My right. And back to the front. Okay, so Nadia's cap construction, she has a monopart on the left side, but she does not have a lace front. So I've got good coverage, you know, around the face and everything. This is an average size cap and it's fitting my petite head fine, but there is some extra room forehead to nape. So plenty of room, you know, to accommodate average and above. So, okay, so measurements on her. Her bang here in the front is 4.5 inches. She is 10 inches back here from the crown. She has 10-inch sides and her nape is 10 3/4 inches. So almost 11-inch nape, so there's plenty of room, you know, plenty of hair back there for you to do, you know, ponytails and updos and cute things. And with these layers, she'd be really, really pretty to style. Okay, so let's start talking about this beautiful color, Platinum Shadow. So Platinum Shadow is described as an ash blonde blended with light creamy blonde with platinum highlights and dark brown roots. So the root is definitely pretty dark. It looks almost black, so definitely a dark brown. Of course, you can see the rooting around the face, but these bangs are going to hang down there since you don't have a lace front. But anywhere you separate the hair, you're going to see that rooting. So something to think about sometimes with these platinums is if this really dark, you know, color doesn't work with your complexion, then the platinum may or may not work for you. So, because the rooting is obviously going to be present all throughout the piece. And I know these bright lights kind of bounce off these white platinum colors. So I'm gonna, you know, show you in different lighting, of course. So, but just to look at her really quick here. So this is the difference with no lighting. This is just above, you know, my head, room lighting. So we don't have as much sheen coming off of there. The fibers are kind of shiny. With these platinums, they tend to, you know, be shiny. So you might want to dull that with a little dry shampoo. I'd say this color is neutral to cool. Okay, so this is just with window light. There are no other lights on in the room, and the window light is a little bit of a distance from me. So again, that rooting. Okay, so here we are under the patio cover. Just us and the birds. Okay, natural overcast light. So the rooting, as you can see out here, looks lighter, but it is a dark brown. Inside of the cap for Nadia. So here is that monofilament part. It is, you know, fairly wide, so you could change your part a little bit within that space. And then she just has closed lace here. Little bit of permatease up here on the top. Not too bad. Then she just has a soft strip here. No lace front, of course. She has the open wefted ear tabs, so your glasses can actually slide right through those, or you can wear them. She's low density on the ear tabs. You could wear your glasses on top, and I'll show you that in a minute. She's got plenty of hair for off the face styling and a nice piece of metal in there. She's open wefted all through the cap. She has the pull adjusters, and she just has a soft material here at the nape. She does not have an extended nape. And you can also see with her inside out like this, you can see where you have that rooting on the underside there. So when you do pull her up, you know, into a pony or something like that, that rooting is going to show there too. And you can see that rooting all the way around the piece. She does have great stretch and in the circumference as well. Okay, we can quickly look at glasses and styling and all that. So she is low density. There is some permatease, like I said when I was talking about the cap, there's some permatease up here on the top that's giving the style some lift up here, but she mostly has the, you know, any kind of volume and stuff from the way that she's cut. So she doesn't have, like, I'm not feeling permatease on the ear tabs, not really feeling it at the nape. So, you know, it's not too bad. So, okay, so glasses are really easy with her. Go up in the head very easily because of her low density. She's low density on the sides, so it's no problem. This color always looks awesome with the leopard headband. And then I would just pull this pretty bang down and, you know, any other layers. I like it when you have that, you know, bang with a headband. I think that looks really cute. She's cute. She's got great movement. Like I said, she's just really, really cute. She's really pretty half up, half down. I think that's my favorite from when I was playing around with her. And then, of course, she has the length for a pretty little wispy ponytail. I think she'd go, you know, she'd be good with the hat too. And then, of course, you could twist, put her in updos, braid her, you know, do all kinds of stuff like that. Just keep pulling down these pretty layers, you know. Very, very pretty style. Okay, so thank you to Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There will be purchase information below this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye!